Hello, my fellow Americans. My name is Chris Susser, and I'm the owner of the Storm Division. We specialize in getting people's roofs, siding, and gutters replaced through their insurance companies, while ensuring the process is easy for the customer and that there is little out-of-pocket cost to them. So let me walk you through the whole process. We have it broken into 7 easy steps. Step number 1, you get a free roof inspection. We have 2 ways. One is through a licensed drone pilot that we have. We'll send the drone up and we'll look and go over everything and look for damage. Number 2 is we have one of our inspectors go up on the roof. We're looking for storm damage. If we find enough storm damage you feel you can file a claim, then let's do it. If we don't feel, then we'll just shake hands and that'll be that. If we find enough damage, we will then file the claim on the spot. It's very important that we file that claim on the spot. There's only a limited amount of time before the insurance companies can make it, more difficult. The third step is we meet with the adjusters. It's very important that we meet with them and that we're there because we just make sure everything goes smooth, but we make sure that if there are some things that we might not see them looking at, we point it out to them. Just keeping everybody on their toes. Say they approve the roof and they give you a proposal. We need to see that proposal because we want to make sure that you're getting everything you're supposed to get. After I've checked everything and made sure that my figures and the insurance figures are even and that I've corrected them, and that's very important because they can be off by half. I've seen it. It's very important. Then we go ahead and we sign the contract. You pay 1/3 down. Step number 5, we schedule the job, we go out, we do the job. Then after that, we go to step number 6, we submit any supplements or code upgrades to the insurance. They give you the final bill, you pay us. Step number 7, you just got a new roof paid for by your insurance, and your house is now going to be safe and weatherproof for years to come.